before the fame. Sparks come before the flame. Pain comes before the game. So game, recognize game. Before the thunder comes alive. When the rain hits, better hold tight. You need a game plan to go and change lives. You need to feel it before you gain size. It's not bright, sometimes it's no bad. It's not magic, there is no staff, no trail leading to the glory. You need a story before there is glory. Word comes before the fame. Bars come before the flame. Pain comes before the game. So game, recognize game. You better sharpen up your aim, or everything will stay the same. You gotta work for it to change. Cause game, recognize game. In the morning, they will be mourning. When you grind where the haters still snoring. It's not boring when you at the top. No one talks down on someone that never stops. And when it pops, they will all know your name. I'll tell you one game, recognize game. I want the glory, I want the glory, I want the glory, I want the glory. You cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. Word comes before the fame. Bars come before the flame. Pain comes before the game. So game, recognize game. You better sharpen up your aim, or everything will stay the same. You gotta work for it